Okay, you tell me what you're doing.
So you got to squeeze the mastic out of a mastic gun. Start here.
How many have you done already?
2? No,
2.
1. Oh yeah, 2.
2. And why are we putting these on? Do you remember?
So it won't go blasting through. So only a little bit will get in.
A little bit of what?
Wind.
Wind. Air. Yeah. So the cowl stops the wind from blowing through. Yeah, but it lets the air get through.
Cows are living beings. That means you're going in. It will not work. Oh wait, now I know how. Jab it. Am I doing good so far?
Yeah, I'd have had 9 done by now, but yeah, go on.
No, you wouldn't.
No, yeah, go on. You're doing good, mate.
That meaning.
You getting there, mate? You getting there?
No. There's sausage in it. That's what you do, sausage it.
That's it. Little glue sausages.
I'd rather eat a sausage.
You wouldn't want to eat that stuff.
No.
I fucking know.
Why? Did he eat some?
No.
Wouldn't he die?
Not if you ate a bit. I wouldn't try it though. Wouldn't want to try it.
No, it doesn't look that tasty. It looks like paste. And they do not like paste. What does paste even taste like?
Is that easier like that? Doing it two-handed upside down? If it's easier, do it, mate. Honestly, if it's easier.
It won't come out.
It will. You just not squeezing hard enough. There you go. Look at that bit.
It's a sausage.
That'll do. See how much quicker that was when you did it two-handed?
I cut myself already today.
Don't worry about it. Did your finger fall off?
No!
Then you'd be alright.
Couldn't have shown you if my finger fell off. Would that do?
Go on, stick that last little dab on. That'll do.
That'll do.
That'll do.
You want to see me put it on?
Yeah, how long do you have to press it on for?
10 seconds.
About 10 seconds, go on then. What are you doing?
Trying to get the this
No, it'll just squash onto the wall.
hanging off.
Extra's good.
You gotta try and... If there's a wire attached to it, you gotta try and put it over the wire.
That's it.